My neighbor Gary once tried turning his '94 minivan into a camper by duct taping a mattress to the cargo floor and calling it Van Diesel. The only thing it ran on was desperation and expired beef jerky. Meanwhile, someone else had a brighter idea, buying a 1973 Ford F-100 Ranger XLT camper. And let me tell you, this thing is no joke. It's not just a truck, it's what the '70s dreamed of when they closed their eyes at night and imagined freedom on four wheels. Now, this 6th-gen F-100 isn't some garage queen. It's finished in two-tone green with enough chrome to start your own disco revival. The 31-inch, 78.7 centimeters tall steel wheels wear chrome hubcaps and general 225/75 tires, while the rear bumper's a classic white step-up. I like the most that the hop-cap camper shell even includes a rear ladder, because nothing says adventure like climbing onto a fiberglass roof with a beer in one hand and a bad decision in the other. Under the hood, a 360 Ki 5.9-liter V8 factory-rated at 145 horsepower, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The dealer gave it a fresh round of love. New spark plugs, wires, distributor cap and rotor, a rebuilt radiator, flushed fuel lines, shocks, and a new battery. I believe this kind of work says, hey, I may be old, but I'm ready to party. Inside the cab, we're talking full green vinyl, bench seat, dashboard, door panels, you name it. The Philco push-button AM radio sits alongside a CB radio, perfect for yelling breaker, breaker, even if you're just lost in a parking lot. The odometer shows 85,000 miles, and I think every one of them smells like Marlboro and freedom. Now, the camper itself, patterned orange upholstery, linoleum floors, wood paneling, curtains, a fold-out bed. It's like stepping into a funkadelic motel room on wheels. The camper shell has windows with screens, a roof vent, and more shagadelic vibes than a 1977 bachelor pad. Final sale price? $28,000 US, 24,600 euros. And frankly, I think someone scored big time. It's a rolling piece of Americana that comes with a removed tailgate, a spare wheel, and enough soul to qualify for a Motown contract.